I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping like a pro. Sanitize, push back cuticles, and degrease each nail so the chrome adheres. Apply one thin coat of gel base, cure it, then a second thin coat and cure again. Make sure there are no ridges. Once done, lightly buff with a 220 grit file and wipe with alcohol to remove dust so the chrome powder grabs evenly. This reduces bubbling and patchiness. Follow these first actionable steps now to lock in a smooth, reflective finish. You move into the pigment application with steady pressure. Pick a dense foam or silicone applicator and dip into the chrome powder. Rub the pigment in circular motions across the cured base until you see a mirror-like reflection. Take your time on the free edge and cuticle line. Once the chrome is uniform, remove excess with a soft brush. Make sure to apply a thin layer of no-wipe gel or tack-free top coat next. This locks the chrome and prevents smudging while maintaining that high-shine look. You finish by applying a thin, even LED-friendly top coat and cure per the product instructions, typically 30 to 60 seconds. After curing, inspect edges for powder and lightly file any rough spots, then wipe clean with alcohol and add a final thin top coat to seal. If the chrome looks hazy or uneven, do not overbuff. Instead, gently rebuff the area, remove oils with alcohol, reapply a small amount of pigment, and reseal. This troubleshooting tip fixes common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.